Nitong mga nagdaang araw ay tila very emotional ng mga SB19 fans or ang tinatawag na 18. Very emotional ang kanilang mga pahayag sa kanilang Facebook post. Ito'y dahil na rin sa tila hindi mawalang-walang bashing, especially nang ang SB19 ay mag-release na sila nga ay mag-perform na sa isang napakalaki or international stage, ang Lollapalooza. And, syempre, once bashers, always a bashers. Narito po ang naging say ng ilang mga fans or SB1918 sa kanilang sentimiento. Inalala din nila ang pangmumok sa SB19, hindi sa ibang fandom kundi ang mismo mga social media at mga reporters na kung paano sila itrato at interviewin. Inalala ng 18 kung paano nila tinulungan ang SB19 noong panahong pandemic at kung paano din sila alipustahin sa mga interviews. Mula sa naging post ni Android 18, aniya, just in case you didn't know, hindi P-pop fandoms kapuksaan ng 18 sa votings dati kasi hindi pa naman tanggap ang P-pop noong time na nagsisimula pa lang ang SB19. Kami-kami lang yung nandito. Minamaliit lang sila dati, minomoke at nire-reduce as mere K-pop wannabes or tinatawag na Filipino K-pop sa mga media articles. Nakakarampot na nga lang may misinformation pa about the boys. Alam niyo po ba kung anong fandoms ang malalaki dati sa Pinas bukod sa K-pop love teams? War flashback sa Push Awards era when we were against the Mayward fandom. OMG, ang daming epic dog show moments noon. Naaalala niyo si Car Doding. Hahaha. Noong kami-kami pa lang nandito, naglilista na talaga kami ng achievements no matter how small and insignificant it may seem sa iba. Milestone maker namin yon na normal lang naman sa mga taong may big goals. So ngayong sumakses na ang SB, what makes you think na titigilan namin to just because someone will get offended by the sight of it? We're not doing all of this documentation effort for you. Scroll up na lang kung masakit sa mata. Okay? Nakikisilip na nga lang kasi sa bakuran namin, nangingialam pa. Huwag ganun. Paghingi naman ng paumanhin ng isa. I'm sorry if the fans have been commenting about SB19 a lot. I know we have to chill sometimes. I just wanted to share a bit of context on why many 18 are like this. SB19 still isn't a huge name yet, and a big part of their reach comes from the fans. They started from a small startup company that they helped build themselves. No big label backing, no major network connections, just talent, hard work, a dream, and 18 supporting them every step of the way. Since the beginning, it's always felt like a partnership between SB19 and the fandom. They give us quality music and performances, and we do our best to help promote them. Their pride becomes our pride, and their wins feels like our wins too. That said, I totally understand if it sometimes comes across as too much or a bit aggressive. Thanks for still hearing us out. Hopefully, when you get to see them perform live, you'll understand why we rave about them and support them the way we do. Yes, just like that, SB19 and the fans 18 are partners. Yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.